Welcome to our video tutorial on troubleshooting common issues with Azure Network Watcher. In this video, we'll explore some solutions to help you overcome challenges and maximize the capabilities of Azure Network Watcher. Let's dive in and address some common issues you may encounter while using Azure Network Watcher tools. Issue 1. Unable to capture network traffic. This can happen when Network Watcher's packet capture feature fails to capture the desired network traffic. The solution: first, ensure that the Network Watcher is enabled in the Azure portal. Then, verify that the necessary permissions are granted to the user or service principal attempting the packet capture. Finally, check the targeted network interface and security group rules to ensure they allow the traffic you want to capture. Issue 2. Unable to diagnose network issues. Sometimes you may face difficulties in diagnosing network issues using Network Watcher's troubleshooting capabilities. The solution: start by verifying that the Network Watcher is enabled for the target virtual network. Next, ensure that the necessary Network Watcher resources, such as network diagnostic tools and connection monitor, are correctly configured and deployed. Finally, check the network security group rules and routing tables to identify any misconfigurations that may be causing the issue. Issue 3. Difficulty in analyzing network traffic. When troubleshooting network issues, it's essential to effectively analyze network traffic captured by Network Watcher. The solution: use Azure Network Watcher's Traffic Analytics feature to analyze captured network traffic. Leverage Traffic Analytics' advanced filters, visualizations, and query capabilities to gain insights into the traffic patterns, identify anomalies, and troubleshoot network issues more efficiently. To summarize, Azure Network Watcher provides powerful tools to monitor and troubleshoot your network. By following the solutions we've discussed, you can overcome common issues and maximize the capabilities of Network Watcher. We hope you found this video tutorial helpful in troubleshooting common issues with Azure Network Watcher. Thank you for watching.